Well, as you can see, we're at Retford. Welcome aboard. Travel video over to Munich. So we're waiting for our Intercity 225. Really like this station because you can get a trip down memory lane with the pictures on there. Days gone by. Right, get on this train.
Please prepare to board the shuttle to the...
EasyJet holidays can take you anywhere and everywhere, from Croatia to Greece, Tunisia to Tenerife. Whether it's a bliss.
Welcome to Gatwick. Yes, we made it. So in front we have Wetherspoon's chips. Quite nice. £4.70. Usual thing for airport. And a nice pint of Twickenham Brewery Ale, £4.50. Done it all on the app, £9.15 it come to altogether. So yeah, but we enjoyed the shorts on the way down. Decent journey. We've got a bit delayed coming into London, but we still made the 3 o'clock Thames Link out of Pancras. So happy travelling. Righto, down at the gate. It's always the furthest gate in it from where you are. So yeah, anyway, see over there. Gate 46 to Munich. Right, let's board this thing.
Back at the front today we have Lauren, at the middle of the aircraft we have Leah, and at the rear we have Alex. Got flight time today of 1 hour and 30 minutes.
Apologies, I couldn't get you much of the landing there. That was absolutely awful for trying to video that. For some reason the S21 just did not like that at all. So anyway, we're at the gate. So yeah, I'll update you, do passports, and I'll see you the other side. Yeah, passports, absolute doddle. So here we are down at the railway station that serves the airport here in Munich, S-Bahn. So we're going to get some tickets, find a train. I think that's where you get the public tickets for. Right, we'll get back to you in a minute. Right then, I'm at the room. As you can see, 127. I know the rooms have got these little funky bells. Really nice corridors as you come down, all nice and lit up. So let's go inside. And well, hello. So room tour, it's coming up to 11 o'clock. literally been in the room about 10 minutes. So I'm going to quickly show you around. So you've got the aircon there, that's where your car goes. Got a window there, and then you've got your sink actually in the room itself, which is really, really nice, really unusual. Towels, you've got space down there, you've got your hairdryer. Don't really use that sort of thing. Extra towels. Well, every so often I do use a hairdryer to dry my hair, it's normally short. All your bits and bobs there, and then you've got this swinging hammock type thing. We're in the Cocoon Hotel, so I suppose that's self-explanatory. You've got this little dining bit here where you can chill. Little table there. Plenty of plug sockets situated around the room. That'll be my side, so a little bit insert there. Double bed with the single quilts, that's very continental. You've got the telly there. So it was literally like that when I came in. I thought, well, where's the telly? There's the telly. And then the best bit of it, this walk-in shower, this see-through shower, so you can actually watch this TV while you're showering. Really unusual. And you're probably thinking, well, where's the toilet? Next door in this little compartment. Boom, there it is. And also, forgot to mention, didn't have much luck in Eindhoven, in Brussels with that, the safe. So right, I will set you off for now. We're going to get us stuff unpacked very, very quickly and lights out, I think. So I'll see you tomorrow at Legoland Deutschland for a video there, first visit. And yeah, looking forward to bringing what's there. So for this one, it's ciao now. So it's ciao for now. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you soon. Take care.